The National Weather Service has issued a MintNado warning for Leadville and Eville in Block City. This tornado is so dangerous that you can easily die due to the cold. The radiant damage of the tornado is an EF5. Please stay inside and seek shelter. Shelter in place warning issued by Black Hole Dan.
The giant enemy spider.
Chess, what the fuck are you doing? Just kill the spider right now, or you're fired.
No! I'm a firing my leg on!
Okay, here it's the video ending, but I have some news about the part 3 and 4 of the scenario. The scenarios won't come out until I get some good lines, but hey, you can comment and suggestions for part 3 and 4 lines when the emergency alert system occurs. So yeah, bye.